Noodle? Noodle?
She's busy.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
But she did need his ammo.
Taught this dog a cool new trick where I yell "shut the fuck up" and she carries on barking. Morning. How are you?
Beer in hand.
It'd be good to get some Gravitex on that because the rear subframe hasn't got to be out for very long, is it?
No.
It's drop it down, clean it up, put it back in.
Yeah.
Because I do need the ramp for that
Okay.
fairly soon.
Right. Although I spoke to Dave Baston about paint though.
Yeah, I saw Dave Baston at Goodwood.
Did you?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I said, Dan Fry's been talking to you, and he went, yeah.
I thought I might take that out before I go down to him. Take it down, then he can paint inside it, and then I'll try and get one from. You can get them from Garage D, can't you?
Yeah, which is down that way, isn't it?
Is it?
I don't know. Writing on it. I didn't know there was writing on it.
Yeah, that's why I got the dash mat on it.
What does it say?
Fucking stupid shit.
Every day, everyone is a genius, but it...
Disclaimer: I didn't fucking have that done on there. That was the guy I bought the dash off. Tom didn't know who Hulk Hogan was. Yeah, and then he told me this morning. He's like, I looked him up last night. I did know who he was. There's been a few things this past couple of days. Tom's come up, and there's been a few things like me and Beth have mentioned and stuff. And he's like, "Who's that?" And you're like, "Oh, you're making me feel so old." That's way harder than it should have been. You like doing this?
I quite enjoyed dashboards, yeah.
You're weird.
That was a pain in the ass, that one, because the aircon's inside.
Really little one for a really little guy. You're just a little guy. And the back seat working on the front. It's not working. Surprisingly, who'd have thought? There we go. Oh, I hate these connectors. Just realised how stupid this looks. Okay, there we go. I suppose you haven't seen that before, but yeah. The kill switch, in fact, does not engage. Tooth receiver. Just wired into the speakers. But I think the car's too loud to be able to really hear the music anyway, so. No, I wanna fall in love. Or leave it in. Was born in Hong Kong, mind you. Microfiber?
Oh, it's spinning down. Hang on, let me get some mole grips under there.
Bastard.
Go on, try that. Do you want to come down here with me, Tom? Hello.
The sooner I stuff it all back behind the dash and hide it, the better. Because the longer I look at it, the more ideas I start getting of like, oh, should I just tidy that up and just do that? And then yeah, and it'll be another 7 years before I drive the car again. I don't mind having a shaved head, but I'm not the one who wants to do it, that's the only thing. If we were both like keen to do it, and you needed some convincing, I'd do it, but I don't really want to shave my head right now, but
You've
it is good
still
though.
got a full head of hair, haven't you? I think I need more than a shaved head to look stunning and gorgeous.
No, you don't.
I do.
It's all in that smile. This is so much more work than I thought it was going to be. I should just have that tattooed on my forehead. Do you reckon, Mike?
I just heard head.
Huh?
I just heard head.
Yeah. Well, there you go. What do you reckon? Head?
Yeah.
That's how it goes, isn't it, really?
You took any pictures of that?
No, I didn't take a picture of it.
Fucking state of that. Jesus Christ.
I reckon they're nice. Oh, I could have done, couldn't I? Just could have done that, slid it out.
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me that?
I just did.
No, fair enough. Are you doing a little Google, are you?
Yeah, I thought, why not? So if you Google S13 heater matrix, they are screw-on.
Oh. What the hell? What the fuck have I got here then? I shall dry my hands using only the power of the sun. And maybe... Would you have tried one if I hadn't just put it in your mouth?
No.
Oh,
So I
maybe,
wouldn't have had nuts.
maybe that's what I need to do then. Journey on a train, then a bus, and then a taxi, and another train. I'm gonna rip off your head and shit down your neck.
Fucking idiot.
Prick.
Fucked a lot of them, Tom, isn't that right?
You should have waited for him to get back in his car and crash into that one as well. Just finance a fucking M2 instead. Finance an M2, don't learn anything about how it works, and then just drive around in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll have a much better time.
What stage would your M2 be?
Uh,
They do things in stages, don't they?
yeah. What's the maximum?
Don't know.
Stage 1. Just leave it alone. Don't do anything.
There shouldn't be anything holding that loom in, though, should it? Should just be able to pull it into the back.
It's making me quite.
Is it for- is
Like, I'm joking about it, but that's actually really stressing me out. Knowing that I've got to eventually put this back in and keep track of where it went somehow.
I don't really know the definition of humble, otherwise I'd say I'm not. Oh. It's certainly quite tangled, isn't it? Yeah, we take the prop off.
Yeah, we go.
And I've dragged my trolley out.
Yeah,
I've
so-
got some boards for it. We'll just drop it straight onto the trolley.
Especially that fat bitch from the. Come here, you fat bitch. 1 million times.
That's an S14 subframe then, Dan.
Oh, yeah, you mad
I just
bastard.
noticed that.
Yeah, you crazy boy. I did an S14 subframe because I put it in there.
There's a bit of glass there, though.
Quick Neil on it. It's gone through quite the transformation, really, hasn't it? I know it's kind of spiraled out of control a bit, but you've done a fucking beautiful job of everything you've touched. Which is why it's kind of spiraled out, because I've just gone, oh, can you do that a bit now?
Don't blame me.
I wish I was a slag. Huh? Yeah, I wish I was a fit slag as well. Down too low, I don't think it's going to come off under its own weight.
What do you reckon?
I don't think so. I got my nuts stuck. Thank you.
Yeah, Dan, that was, not me.
I was ready for it that time. My first time at a glory hole, I tried to push my balls through as well, and the guy laughed at me. How was I supposed to know? Like that one, I could tell that time it was like, ooh, and then sometimes you can tell like, we're going in. That was like a, ooh, and then it's like, ooh, I did touch it, but I got away with it. Shut up. But yeah, I remember this. Like, I used an old tail light to like see how far to push it back out, and it was like in there. And this is all fucked in as well. But Mike fixed all that.
That really hurt. You can have your legs back, I've got this end.
I like it.
So let it go. Dan, you still aerosol in this engine bay?
Huh?
You still doing an aerosol job on the engine bay?
I was gonna, yeah. Why?
Yeah, no, I just wondered.
No, why?
No, I just wondered.
Tell me. Inside the bay's not that important, really, is it?
No.
And then Dave Bastard's probably going to do the outside, so.
He's lovely though, isn't he? So I don't really want that lying
You
around.
feel around with me in the evenings.
I could, yeah.
I might just walk like that from now on.
I haven't got a bum.
There we go. A match made in heaven. Tom's single, you're single.
You wanking, are you, Tom?